You're going to take this text and turn it into this shiny 3D inflatable text all in Illustrator in under 2 minutes. Starting with the type tool, type out the word or phrase you want. I recommend using some type of bubble font. I'll include the font I'm using with the tutorial on my Patreon, but I think Modak from Google Fonts or Superbubble from dafont.com are really good free alternatives. Before I move on, I'm going to use a hidden gem if you don't know, called the touch type tool. It allows you to move around and rotate each letter individually while keeping it one word. Once you've arranged it how you like, select all, right click, and create outlines. Now let's change the color using fill, but don't worry, you can also change it at the end. Now let's go to 3D and materials. If you can't find it, it's under window and at the top, 3D and materials. Have all your text selected and under object, select inflate. Pop. And we're going to extend this down so we can see more options. From there, go to materials, go to the bottom, and under base properties, increase metallic and lower roughness. This is going to give it the more plasticky effect. Now we're going to go to lighting. Use this circle to adjust where the light is coming from and see what you prefer. I'm going to go with this. Now we're going to add a shadow, adding to the realistic effect. I kind of messed around with rotation, height, and softness to get this. Lastly, turn on render with ray tracing to view it more accurately. And depending on your computer capacity, don't do this until the end. And you did it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.